Hello, good morning. My name is Poonam Gupta, and today I'm going to give my demo here on the topic that is circulatory system. So before that, I would like to briefly explain about myself, a little bit of brief introduction about me. Hi. I have done masters in microbiology, that is MSc in microbiology from Lucknow University, and I have teaching experience of approximately 4 to 5 years. In I have teaching experience of NEET students and GATE student as well as JRF students. I have also qualified the CSIR NET JRF with all India rank 87 in 2017, and then I got enrolled for PhD also. Today I will be discussing about circulatory system. So let's get started. Okay, circulatory system. What is circulatory system? Why do we need circulatory system? Right. Circulatory system is basically a system along with all other systems present in our body. For example, we have different kind of system in our body for different purposes or some specific functions in our body, like respiratory system for respiration, circulatory system for circulation of the body fluids, and your excretory system, reproductive system, etc. Okay, circulatory system. Circulatory system is responsible for transportation. Transportation of what? Transportation of body fluids from one part of the body to the other part of the body, or you can say from the heart to other organs of the body. So, circulatory system can be of not can be circulatory system is of two types: open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. So we drawn earlier also. So before starting the so circulatory system was discovered by William Harvey. Circulatory system was discovered by William Harvey. Circulatory system can be of two types: open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Right. Open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. So what is the basic difference between open circulatory system and closed circulatory system? In open circulatory system, there is a heart which pumps the blood directly to the organs of the body. Directly to the organs of the body. So points to be noted here, three things in this: that the blood directly pours the blood out, directly pours the blood out to the organ. So there is no pressure, there are no blood vessels for that, and also the blood get much wasted, you can say, na? Because there is no specific vessels for carrying those blood, body fluid or blood. So this is the open circulatory system, and an example for this is it is present in cockroaches. It is present in cockroaches. Right. Coming to the another type of circulatory system, that is closed circulatory system. Okay. So closed circulatory system, it is in this there is a heart which pumps the blood, and blood gets transported through the blood vessel. Blood vessels. Here, blood vessels are present. Okay. So, blood vessels are arteries, veins, and capillaries. What are the blood vessels? Arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay. So, there are three types of blood vessels present in closed type of circulatory system: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Now, you can see here the blood is coming out, but it is not getting directly poured to the organs. It is coming through a vessel or tube-like structure, and then these tube-like structure are going to different type of organs. Therefore, this type of circulatory system, blood flows with a pressure, particular pressure. In our case, it is 120 by 80. What is 120 by 80? You know the blood pressure, BP. Normal BP of a human is 120 by 80. Fine. And what is this 120 and 80? 120 is the blood pressure of blood in arteries, and 80 is the blood pressure in veins. So I would like to give a little bit of practical little example. Suppose I'm just explaining the open type of circulatory system and never worried about this stuff. This is of my daughter. So this suppose a heart. In case of open circulatory system, this is a heart. This pumps the blood, and blood pumped out and directly pour to the organs of the body. No blood vessels, no tube, so no pressure is here. So there is no pressure in case of open type of circulatory system. Now coming to the closed type of circulatory. So what is the difference? Now here blood will be flowing in a particular type of vessels. These are blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, right? Okay, so now you can see here, like you can see that these are the tube-like structures. So when blood flows out from the heart, going inside these tubes, so there will be have some kind of pressure, and that is known as the blood pressure. Okay, okay. Now, so in this case, closed type of vessels. Friends, you see here these things. The blue are, these are veins or arteries, na? So there are three type of blood vessels: capillaries, arteries, veins. Now what are arteries, what are veins, and what are capillaries? Since this is a demo, so I would like to explain in very short and brief manner. Arteries are thick blood vessels, veins are thin blood vessels in layman language. And what are capillaries? So suppose these are the arteries, these are the capillaries joining the arteries and veins. Fine. So these are the blood vessels. So I think I'm exceeding the time limit, that is for 7 minutes. So these are the basically circulatory system and types of circulatory system. I hope you have got a brief knowledge of the circulatory system. So thank you so much for listening, and